Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and you guys, it's time for another Stampin' Up! Haul, unboxing, and oh my goodness, I cannot wait. So this one here is called the Sequins for Everything. I don't know how it comes. I hope sequins don't go flying everywhere. Oh, there we go. They don't have any holes, and so they're just these round little sequins. Let's see if you can see them better on this side. We've got all the different colors. We've got the fall, some Christmas, just some sparkly for like New Year's or Christmas, and then of course Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day. This is definitely sequins for everything. So they named that appropriately. I will probably keep those in the box. And then this one, this is called Little Treats, and it has the little Santa Claus hat, a little spider there, and it goes with the treat box. So the treat box die. Now you can get the two as a bundle and save 10%, but for some reason I didn't do the bundle, and I'm kicking myself because now I went and had to buy this. I had the die for the hat, and how could I not have a hat to go with the die? But really, I like this little to and from label and all these great little treats. So there's also a little gift on that treat box as well. Check that out. I'll put everything down below in case you wanted to order anything. Now this is all the new designer series paper that is coming in the holiday catalog that comes out next week. So the first batch, I do them in batches of 8. The first 8 have sold, but I am going to do another batch. So I know there were plenty of people asking me if I still had some available. So I need to get another 8 so that I can order another set. So I'll put the link down below in that description if you wanted to get one. Let's go ahead and show you the paper. After I get it all cut and ready to go, I will show you every single piece of paper. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and look at the colors, the names. And this one's called 'Tis the Season, and it's a 6x6. So you can see it's already cut 6x6. And in my paper share, you're going to get one 6x6 piece of every single piece of designer series paper. And they are all double-sided. You can see, so pretty. This one is called Feels Like Frost, and this one was brought back from last year. It was so beautiful, and I can't wait to show you some cards with this. This one is called Plaid Tidings. So we've got some great plaid going on there. Again, 6x6 on there. The rest of these are all 12x12s. They will be cut in half and cut in half again so that they are 6x6. Let me go ahead and see what we've got. This one is called Snowflake Splendor. Pretty. And then this one is Gilded Autumn. This is a specialty paper. Look at how pretty that is. It's got those golds, and you can see the light shining on there. This one is one that came back again from last year. People loved it so much. And this is called Twa Tidings. Again, double-sided. It comes in the green, and it also has some red, but they're the same prints there. This one, I already bought a full sheet for myself because I loved it so much. It's got some great little cutouts here that can just help with those, making those cards quick and easy. So we'll do some videos with that as well. That one is called Wonder of the Seasons. Again, that had the gold colors as well in there. Some really pretty shades. Look how fun this one is. That is great. This could be just a, if you got the whole entire sheet, it would be like a scrapbook page all in itself. This is called Trimming the Town Designer Series paper. Very cute. So when you get the 6x6 of this, it will be 6x6. So you'll either get this section, this section, this section, or this section, which all 4 sections are very adorable. That one, again, was called Trimming the Town. This one has to be Poinsettia. Yep. Poinsettia Place Design, Poinsettia Place. And it's got this beautiful poinsettia. I'm sure it has tons more. I cannot wait to get these all cut so that you can see them. Let's see. This one is called Heartwarming Hugs. That's pretty. What? Look at this. I haven't even seen this at all. What's the name of it? Magic in This Night. So pretty. Look at that. I cannot wait to look at these. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe because you will want to see what each of these look like. These have some foil stars in them. They're copper. And this one's called Brightly Gleaming. So this was fun. I cannot wait. Again, I don't know how many times I've said that, but I get to open these up, cut them all up for you guys, and I get to go through and see each one, and then I will show you as well. But if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, they're only $35 for the whole entire 6x6 of each sheet. So if you want to buy all of this yourself, it would be well over $190. So I broke those down to make it more reasonable so you can get one of each sheet for only $35, and that includes all your shipping and taxes and everything. So I will leave that button down below. You can also go to BeautyandtheStamper.com to check out my paper share information there. All right, beauties, you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.